Are you ready? Welcome back to the Moxy Manchester City Centre. Guys, we have been upgraded yet again. I think it's because of us being Marriott Bonvoy members. I appreciate our loyalty, and we have been upgraded yet again. We have been upgraded to a corner room with this, I think it's like a corner double room, I need to double check the words on the Marriott Bonvoy app afterwards. So when you come in, you've got this lovely mirror greeting you there. And you do have a hairdryer in this little bag as well. So you got the good old Moxy door hanger, don't come a knocking. Hangers are available on the wall, and you've got the little case holder as well. There are plenty of plugs around here. But just when you walk in, guys, just look at this. Look at this. Honest to God, I'm actually going to go to the bedroom first. Because when you come straight down, it's just unbelievable. It's not even days, it's hours. Got Marriott Bonvoy TV on as well, because you know me, I love Marriott Bonvoy TV. This is our bed. It's super springy, super soft, as what you expected from Marriott Bonvoy, honestly, and the Moxy, because I love Moxy hotels. We've got the bird on hat as the pillow. We've got the bedside lamps as well, and lots of plugs available by the bedside as well. We've got tea and coffee facilities. By the way, guys, this is room 610, by the way, if you're wondering what room number we got. And just to point out, when we checked in at the reception, we got a little card saying you've been upgraded as well. So it's so good, because we were meant to be on the second floor, but they give us the high floor, which is really, really appreciative. But I am super impressed with this room. We've got the natural sunlight coming through. We've got everything about it. It's just unbelievable. Let's go check out the bathroom. I haven't showed you the bathroom yet, but let me show you the bathroom. Just notice the shelf is on a little wonk, but it seems stable, but it should be all right, I'm thinking. Or maybe it's I think it's the design of it. So yeah, it's the design. We've got new products. So last time we came here, we had Bamuk products, but now we've got 5 Wits by Moxy. So it looks like it's a collaboration with La Baguetta, which is an Italian brand with Moxy as well. And it's the same inside the shower as well, because it looks like in this shower we have the 5 Wit shampoo, conditioner and shower gel as well. So it's the same with that. And your toilet is there as well. Oh, before I forget, I'll show you the shower head. It's the same shower head that we had in the previous hotel, the previous room in Moxy as well. But I have to say, I am super impressed with this room. And that is the corner room over at the Moxy, Manchester City Centre. So let's go and do a bed test and I'll let you know how the bed is, shall we? It's bed test time here at the Moxy, Manchester, and I am super excited to test this out because, you know me, I absolutely love staying at Moxy hotels. Moxys are one of my favourite hotel chain brands. Here we go. Oh, it's lovely. Lovely and comfortable. Pillows are very soft and everything about it is just super soft. Will be perfect for one night because we're actually here to watch 21 Pilots at the AO Arena tonight, so I'm super pumped. But there you go, that is the room at the Moxy. We'll see you guys soon for the next hotel review tour. Bye guys.